My name is Melanie and I am studying human dimensions of natural resources.
My name is Jill and I'm studying natural resources management and GIS.
We are in Yuma, Colorado, and we are taking a tree inventory of trees all around the city that were unfortunately damaged or destroyed by a really terrible hailstorm a couple of weeks ago. And yeah, we're assessing their health and some management plans for the future.
We're gathering information on species, diameter. We're assessing them and just giving our recommendation as to what we think should be done based on the damage.
Looking at the quality of the needles, the coloring of the tree, how much foliage is still present, and whether or not there's any broken branches and bark damage. Looking at all those factors that can impact the health and success of a tree. This has been a cool experience for me personally, getting out into the field and seeing more of the data side of things. And it'll be fun to take this into that education outreach setting and help teach people about the different types of work that the Forest Service does.